There's nothing more frustrating than hitting print and watching your printer do absolutely nothing. If your Canon MG2522 isn't printing anything, this video is for you. Through this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods that'll get your Canon MG2522 printing again. We'll start by checking if your printer is set as default. Then, we'll look for paper jams, and finally, we'll reinstall those ink cartridges to make sure they're properly seated. One of these solutions will definitely work for you. If you need extra help, you just call the numbers on the screen. Otherwise, let's dive in and get this fixed.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Set your printer as default. Click on the search bar on your desktop and open Control Panel. Click on the devices and printers to see all your connected printers. Find your Canon MG2522 printer in the list. Right-click on it and look at the menu that pops up. Select Set as Default Printer to make sure your computer is using this printer for all print jobs. If setting it as the default fixed your problem, awesome. But if your Canon is still not printing, let's check if something is stuck inside the printer. Method 2. Check for paper jam. Make sure your printer is on. Now slide the output tray back towards the printer to open it up. Open the front cover of your printer to access the ink cartridge area inside. Look carefully inside and check if any pieces of paper are stuck there. If you see any, gently remove them. Close the front door back into place. Now move to the document feeder on the top of your printer and check that area too for any jammed paper. If you didn't find any paper jams in your printer, the issue might be with your ink cartridges aren't seated properly. Let me show you how to fix that. By the way, if these solutions are helping you out, please subscribe to our channel so you get more printer fixes delivered to you. Method 3. Reinstall the ink cartridges. Open the front door of your Canon MG2522 to access the ink cartridge section. Press down to each ink cartridge and remove them one by one. Be gentle while doing this. Now insert all the cartridges back into their slots and make sure each one clicks firmly into place. Close the front door and try printing something. Your printing issue should now be resolved.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.